How to remove Google Find Hub app from Android mobile. This tutorial shows you how to uninstall or disable the Google Find Hub application from your Android device. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, the main Settings menu will appear with various configuration options. Following that, scroll down through the list to find apps. Now, tap on Apps to view all installed applications on your device. Moving forward, you'll see a list of all your apps displayed on the screen. Afterwards, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Google Find Hub. In addition to that, tap on Google Find Hub to open the app information page. Once the app details page opens, look for the uninstall button at the top. Subsequently, if you see uninstall, tap on it to remove the app completely. Moreover, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure. Afterwards, tap on OK or uninstall to confirm and remove Google Find Hub. Then, the app will be uninstalled from your device within seconds. Within the section, if you don't see uninstall but see disable instead, it's a system app. Alternatively, tap on disable to deactivate the app without removing it. Once you tap disable, another confirmation will appear warning about potential issues. Then, tap on disable app or OK to proceed with disabling Google Find Hub. Afterwards, the app will be disabled and won't appear in your app drawer. Then, you can also tap on force stop to immediately stop all app processes. Moreover, scroll down and tap on storage to clear app data if needed. Afterwards, tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache to remove all Google Find Hub information. Then, Google Find Hub has been successfully removed or disabled from your Android device. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you remove Google Find Hub app from Android mobile, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.